Natural ways to have a smooth and shiny hair. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing natural ways to achieve smooth, shiny hair, along with tips for keeping your hair healthy and strong. These tips use natural ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's take a closer look. First of all is coconut oil treatment. How to use: warm a small amount of coconut oil in your palms. Apply it from the mid-lengths to the ends of your hair, or all over if your scalp is dry. Leave it on for 30 minutes or overnight, then rinse with a gentle shampoo. Benefits of using coconut oil for hair. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that penetrate deep into the hair shaft, providing intense hydration. This helps to combat dryness and makes the hair feel softer and smoother. Coconut oil helps reduce protein loss in both damaged and undamaged hair. This helps in maintaining hair strength and preventing breakage. Coconut oil has natural antimicrobial properties that can help treat issues like dandruff and dryness on the scalp. Regular use of coconut oil gives hair a natural, glossy appearance. It smooths the surface of the hair and reflects light, creating a beautiful shine. Apple cider vinegar is an amazing natural remedy that's easy to use and packed with benefits for your hair and scalp. How to use: mix 2 tablespoons of ACV with 2 cups of water. After shampooing, pour the mixture over your scalp and hair, then rinse with cold water. Apple cider vinegar helps restore your scalp's natural acidity, which is often disrupted by shampoos and hair products. Apple cider vinegar acts as a natural cleanser, breaking down this residue and leaving your hair feeling light and refreshed. It helps smooth the hair cuticle, allowing it to reflect more light and give your hair that beautiful shine. It can help combat the fungus or bacteria that cause dandruff, while also soothing an itchy or irritated scalp. The apple cider vinegar rinse is a simple, cost-effective way to detox your hair, restore shine, and promote a healthy scalp. It's easy to incorporate into your hair care routine, and the results speak for themselves. Aloe vera gel treatment. Aloe vera, often referred to as the plant of immortality. The gel extracted from its fleshy leaves is packed with vitamins, enzymes, amino acids, and minerals that make it a powerhouse ingredient for hair care. Aloe vera gel contains a high water content, providing intense moisture to the hair, making it soft and smooth. Aloe vera is rich in enzymes and vitamins like vitamin A, C, and E, which promote healthy cell turnover, supporting faster hair growth. Aloe vera gel contains amino acids and proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp and strengthen hair strands. Aloe vera helps maintain the scalp's pH balance, preventing excess oil or dryness. Preparing fresh aloe vera gel from the plant. Pick a large, healthy aloe vera leaf from the base of the plant. Rinse the leaf under running water to remove dirt and bacteria. Using a sharp knife, cut off the spiny edges along both sides of the leaf. Using a spoon, scoop the clear gel from the inside of the leaf. Place the gel into a blender and blend it for 20 to 30 seconds until it becomes smooth and consistent. This removes any lumps and makes it easier to apply to your hair. Application process. Apply the aloe vera gel directly to your scalp, massaging it in with your fingers for 3 to 5 minutes to promote blood circulation. Spread the remaining gel down the length of your hair, focusing on the ends where it's usually driest. For added moisture, you can mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or honey with the aloe vera gel. This is especially helpful for dry, damaged hair. Leave the aloe vera gel in your hair for 30 to 45 minutes. Rinse the aloe vera gel out with lukewarm water. Follow up with a mild shampoo and conditioner if needed. Quick tips for the best results with aloe vera gel for hair. Use fresh gel. Apply to damp hair. Mix with oils. Massage your scalp. Rinse with cold water. Egg and yogurt hair mask. One of the best DIY hair treatments you can make right in your kitchen, the egg and yogurt hair mask. If you're looking for an easy way to get stronger, shinier, and healthier hair, this is it. Benefits of using this simple, yet powerful egg and yogurt hair mask. First, this mask helps strengthen your hair. The protein in eggs is essential for repairing weak, brittle strands and preventing breakage. The healthy fats in eggs and the moisture from yogurt smooth the hair cuticle, leaving you with glossy, vibrant locks. The yogurt acts as a natural conditioner, leaving your hair soft, smooth, and much easier to style. The biotin and protein in eggs stimulate your hair follicles and help promote faster, stronger growth. It's a natural way to get thicker, healthier hair. Yogurt contains probiotics and anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the scalp, reduce dandruff, and balance your scalp's natural oils, promoting overall hair health. Preparing the egg and yogurt hair mask. Crack your egg into a bowl and whisk it until it's nice and smooth. Next, add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt to the egg. Give it a good mix until the egg and yogurt are fully combined. And there you go, your egg and yogurt hair mask is ready. Now, let's apply it. Start with dry or slightly damp hair and use your fingers or a brush to apply the mask from root to tip. Make sure to coat each strand for maximum benefits. Once the mask is applied, let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. This gives the ingredients plenty of time to work their magic. After 30 minutes, rinse the mask out with cool or lukewarm water. And there you have it! Smooth, shiny, and healthy hair in just a few simple steps. This egg and yogurt hair mask is a great way to give your hair the extra love it needs, naturally. Bonus tips for the egg and yogurt hair mask. Adjust ingredients for your hair type. Use the mask once a week. Add essential oils for extra benefits. Avoid overheating your hair after the mask. Use a shower cap for better absorption. Protect hair from sun and heat damage. Wear a hat or scarf, shields your hair from harmful UV rays. Use UV protection products. Sprays or leave-in conditioners with UV filters are great for keeping your hair safe from the sun. Apply natural oils. Coconut oil or aloe vera gel creates a barrier, locking in moisture while protecting from sun damage. Avoiding heat damage. Air dry. Skip the blow dryer and let your hair dry naturally to prevent heat damage. Use a heat protectant. Always apply a heat protectant before using styling tools. Limit heat styling. Try heat-free hairstyles like braids or buns to keep your hair healthy. Limiting chemical treatments is essential for maintaining the health and integrity of your hair. Chemical treatments like coloring, perming, and relaxing can weaken hair strands, leading to breakage and dryness. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and maintain a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to keep your hair healthy from the inside out. Finally, brush your hair with a wide-tooth comb, ideal for all hair types. Whether you have curly, wavy, or straight hair, a wide-tooth comb is suitable for all textures and lengths. So there you have it, friends. Taking care of your hair doesn't have to be complicated. With a little effort and the right practices, you can achieve shiny, vibrant locks that reflect your natural beauty.